Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and in this video we will see how to print this pattern. I've already covered many of the concepts in the previous videos. The link for the same is provided in the description. Do watch those videos to have a clear understanding of the logic behind printing these patterns. Now, to understand how to print this kind of a pattern, we know that always the printing happens row wise. So definitely again one row, I have 2 row, 3 row, 4 and the 5th row. The difference here is when I am printing for the first row, the column printing has to be 5 times and it always starts from 5, and you can see it starts from 5 and decrements and goes till 1. Again here it starts from 5 and goes till 2. Starts from 5, goes till 3, goes till 4 and goes till 5. So writing the logic for this is very simple. The outer loop again, it starts from I is equals to 1. It has to run 5 times, so I less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. Now the inner loop, it starts from. Now it doesn't start from 1 or any other value. Can you see this is constant? So the starting value for every row is constant. It starts from 5. Now the ending condition varies. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is changing. That means the condition I have to use a variable. So I can say j, it has to start from 5, decrement 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll say till the time my j is greater than or equal to I, and this time I'll use j minus minus, and then that's it, SOP without an ln. I say j and I print a space, and then I write SOP ln, which is for the outer loop. That's it. So it's as simple as that. Let's see and execute the same code on BlueJ. So let's write the code for printing this pattern. Again, you can see there are 5 rows and every time it starts from 5 and goes till 1. So this is varying and this is constant. So I can start my inner loop. Int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to 5 for 5 rows, I plus plus, or else I can also say I less than equal to rows to take the number of rows from the user, and the inner loop now starts from 5 because you can see the starting value is constant, that is 5. It goes till 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So I'll say j greater than equal to I, because I is 1, then I is 2, then I is 3, then I is 4 and then I is 5. Because I am going backwards, I will have to say j minus minus, and then system.out.print, I will print j because I have to print the values 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which I get it from the j variable, and a space, and then just a print ln. Done. Let's see, let's compile and execute and see. So I enter the number of rows. Suppose I enter as 8. Okay, so we are not getting, why? Because it's starting from 5 always. I do have less than equal to rows, but then this has to start from rows, right? So if it is 5, it starts from 5. If it is 8, it has to start from 8. So let's change this as well. Now let's again execute and see. I'll put 8. Can you see 8 to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it was 5, it will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4 and 5. So with this we come to an end of this video. Happy learning, take care and bye-bye.